Hi, I'm Gretchen and I am making this video in order to demonstrate the modified fisherman's rib stitch that I use in some of my in the round patterns. So as you can see, this is not actually work circularly, however, it's the same technique where basically you're working the fisherman's rib on every row rather than just the right side rows as you might if you were knitting back and forth. So as you can see, I have a column of fisherman's rib worked up here. For the first setup row for that, you just knit straight into the stitch below, but for every subsequent row, you have a little bit of a different thing going on. So here's my stitch on my needle, and as you can see when you look at the back, it actually has two loops around it rather than just one as you typically see. So in order to do this modified fisherman's rib stitch, you insert your needle through the stitch on your left-hand needle, but you don't insert it above those two stitches that wrap it or below, but between. And once you've inserted your right hand needle between those two stitches, then you just go ahead and knit it normally. And that's how you do that modified fisherman's rib.